I straight up just gouged my hand. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really fun video. I am going to be DIY distressing some jeans for the very first time. Fun fact about me, I am terrible at DIY projects. I always manage to screw them up somehow. So I figured it'd be fun to watch me either miraculously succeed or very intensely fail at DIYing this pair of jeans, which I got from Target on sale. Oh my gosh. I will be wearing these to Disney in a couple days, and I have a whole little outfit prepared to wear with these, but I really wanted to distress them a little bit and make the outfit a little bit more edgy. So let's just get on into it. For this video, I need two things. A steak knife, because that's the method of distressing that looked the easiest to me and the most fail-proof. And then I have this little like notebook that has very thick cardboard on the back side, so I'm going to be slipping this underneath the jeans to make sure that I don't cut through to the other side of the jeans or onto my nice hardwood floors. So let's do this. I straight up just gouged my hand. There's no blood, but there might be. I feel like you can't actually see how deep it is, but it's like V deep, so gonna have to be more careful. Don't cut yourself, guys. Okay, I'm sweating. So they're pretty distressed, but not showing like a ton of skin because I don't want like them to be completely open, if that makes sense. But just one injury, we're okay. And then that's this other side. So I'm gonna go try these on and we'll see how they look. Okay, so these are the jeans. I feel like they look pretty cute, but I kind of missed my knee hole on where the big slits are. So I think I'm gonna tear down here a little bit more to make the knees more open, and then get the shins a little bit more open. And then I'm going to wet them and then pop them in the wash, because apparently you're supposed to do that. Also, I have band-aided myself, so. And now we wait to see what happens, and they'll try them on again. Okay, pants are out of the dryer and they're looking pretty good. So I'm gonna try these on real quick and see if they're good to go. Okay, these are them. I feel like they turned out pretty good. All right, I'm pretty happy with these. I think they're really cute. I love how distressed they are. I don't know, I love that I did them myself and they actually look half decent, and I like that they're just like so ripped up. I'm going to be wearing these with these really awesome Mickey Mouse inspired combat boots and a really cool tie-dye Mickey Mouse t-shirt on the way to the airport, and on my flight to Disney and everything. So I'm very excited that these turned out decent. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try DIYing jeans for the first time. If you did, please give a like and also subscribe to see more videos from me. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.